हाय, मैं हूं बिनी। लाइफस्टाइल और ग्लैमर से भरे हुए प्रोग्राम यानी फ्रेम 3 में आप सबका स्वागत है। आजकल के मेट्रोसेक्सुअल फैशन कॉन्शियस मेल बड़ी स्टाइल से स्पोर्ट करते हैं अपने सभी एक्सेसरीज, और लगता तो ऐसा है कि इन समर्स में रंग बिरंगे कपड़ों के अलावा स्टाइलिश एक्सेसरीज भी बनेगी 21st सेंचुरी मेल की पहचान। अब बात करते हैं इंटरनेशनल फैशन की। बात चाहे कला की हो या फैशन की, इटालियंस हमेशा से ही मास्टर्स रहे हैं। इसीलिए मिलान फैशन वीक के दौरान रैंप पे वो क्रिएशंस नजर आती हैं जो सीजन्स के दुनिया भर के ट्रेंड्स को डिक्टेट करती हैं। आइए एक झलक मिलान के फॉल विंटर के ट्रेंड्स। Now wasn't that a quick look at all the cool events? लेकिन अभी बारी है इस हफ्ते की सबसे हाई प्रोफाइल पार्टी। तो चलिए हम आपको लेके चलते हैं पार्टी ऑफ द वीक में। उम्मीद है आप सबको आज का फ्रेम 3 बहुत पसंद आया होगा। आप अपने फीडबैक्स हमें जरूर ईमेल कीजिए। हमारा ईमेल आईडी है frame3@znetwork.com। अगले हफ्ते हम फिर मिलेंगे। Till then, you guys take care, party hard and stay stylish.
Wasn't that so very elegant? Well, now to add a little bit of heat to this nice, pleasant weather, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this thing. We have clippings all the way from Delhi Fashion Show where Bobby Deol walked the ramp with Pantaloons winter wear collection. The show was held at the Select City Walk Mall at Saket, one of the most talked about malls in Delhi. With best of the international and Indian brand all available there, the mall attracts a very upwardly mobile customer. And the show, of course, that was an absolute hit. Entire Delhi had poured in to the Select City Walk Mall just to see Bobby Deol walk the ramp for the first time ever. And by the way, Pantaloons is the first brand that Bobby Deol has endorsed ever in his lifetime. So let's quickly have a look at the AD. I mean, from black and white to color films, we've gone a long, long way, haven't we? Now, can you imagine you're at a traffic signal and suddenly instead of seeing your normal red, yellows and greens, you're actually seeing black, grey and white? Yes, of course. Or tomorrow, that is Valentine's Day, you could actually, receive a black heart and a white rose. Now, white rose is possible, but a black heart, I don't think so. Any girl would like to receive that. Anyways, going ahead with the next color. Now I'm going to kind of throw you some questions. Let's see. I would hope your participation is completely included in this one. Okay, try and guess this color. It's called the color of health. Pink or green? Okay, another clue. It's also the name of an international pop artist. You can't really hear it. Yes, that is absolutely right. We're talking about the color pink. Now we can all do a little bit of this color in our lives, definitely. At least on my cheeks, I always would love to have this color. It kind of denotes naughtiness, cuteness and bubbliness. So that is exactly what we are going to showcase here. An innocent charm so that you can get whatever is it that you desire. And second glances and there'll be weak knees all around. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as Pantaloons presents to you the Pink Collection. That was quite adorable, wasn't it? I mean, girls always look nice in pink, but guys sporting pink, that is something that I really, really like. Now tell me, how many of you men are actually wearing pink today? Pinks? Can't really see any behind. Pinks? Okay. I don't think so anybody's wearing pink today. Okay, I really don't think so anybody's wearing pink today. Anyways, okay. Okay, can't really see because the light is hurting my eye, but okay. Someone who is absolutely in vogue then. Okay, can you tell me which Bollywood actor actually started the trend of wearing pink? Salman Khan, which movie did he wear pink in? He doesn't. That is absolutely right. He does not really wear. But it was Saif Ali Khan. Now, as you all know, our trends are so influenced by the Bollywood movies, isn't it? Okay, so to quiz you a little bit on this, I present to you Zahid and Aarti, who are going to quiz you a little bit. It's called Milan Se Milan Tak. Can I please have them on stage? Okay, let's give a big round of applause to the quiz masters, Aarti and Zahid. That was quite something, I must say. Okay, for the next color now, let's see if you can still make your guesses. And this time it should be right guesses. It's the name of a famous international boy band. Ooh, you almost got it right. It's also the color that represents ice. I can't hear you guys. Ooh, that is right. It's the all-time color favorite, blue. A must-have in every wardrobe. The color of the deep, serene ocean, holding 1,000 secrets. Ready for 1,000 more? At once soothing and very, very tempting. Moody and a lot to tell. Perhaps that's why we keep going back to it. Bringing the coolness in a whole new way. Pantaloon presents to you the Blue Collection. With so much green on stage, I'm sure we've already curbed the global warming. Well, going forward with this evening, we would like to show you an audiovisual on Pantaloon's Femina Miss India South 2008 pageant, which took place at Hyderabad Convention Center on the 26th of December. Could we please have the AV? Thank you, Zahid. In the grand finale, we are showcasing 3 colors of the season, pink, blue and green, which will be the main advertising story this summer. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the grand finale, where Pantaloon presents to you pink, blue and green. That was the grand finale, pink, blue and green. Thank you so much for joining us on this spectacular evening, and we would also like you to join us for some cocktail and dinner. Thank you so much.
मैं कहीं पे भी पहन सकती हूँ क्योंकि हर इवेंट का अपना एक फील होता है और ये ड्रेसी भी हो सकता है और कैजुअल भी हो सकता है।
अब जाहिर सी बात है कि सादगी में शालीनता की इस मिसाल को हर समय हर ओकेशन पर आपके व्यक्तित्व के अनुसार पहना जा सकेगा। और फिर क्या खास और क्या आम, सलीम अपनी यही कलेक्शन दुबई में होने वाले फैशन वीक में शोकेस कर रहे हैं, इसलिए इसमें आधुनिकता और परंपरा का बेहतरीन मेल देखा जा सकता है।
बहुत ही अपने आप में एक्सेसराइज्ड है। ये जो फूल जो सलीम ने बनाए हुए हैं अपने आप में ही एक्सेसराइज कर लेते हैं।